Hello everyone, this is Manshu Asta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Cat.m. So today we will learn how to create parallel planes using faces, existing faces and existing planes. So we all know that we in SolidWorks we have these default front plane, top plane and right plane, right? So first we will use these planes. So whenever we require any new plane, we just select the plane from which we want to create a parallel plane like this front plane. So we go to this feature tool and we click on this reference and we select the front plane and click on this plane tool. So you can see this plane property manager will open and there are some points we will use in our coming classes regarding these constraints. So in order to create a plane, we have first reference, second reference and third reference, and when we select any face or any plane, the any plane that like this we have selected in first reference front plane, it will automatically get fully defined because in order to create a plane we need three reference points. Okay, but when we select any face or plane, we in face or plane already we have 4 point at the corners, right? So the 3 point condition is already satisfied, and by default when we select any plane, the new created plane will be parallel to each other and it is fully defined. Now, in order to change the distance, we can use this tool distance, and if in order to make change the direction, we can this use this flip offset. There are many conditions, there are many structure where we will create more than one plane in the same direction at a same distance. So in order to create multiple planes at the same distance and in same direction, we will use this instant option. Okay, so we have four instances like this, number of planes to create it. This is the option, right? So one, two, three, four, and the existing one will be filed. And when we press OK, you can see in our feature manager tree we have these four planes at a distance of 50 units. In order to edit, we can click any of the plane and an edit section. You can see it is showing us 60 or any whichever we change. Now, when we select this plane 2 and edit it, you can see it is showing here this is at the 120 distance from the front plane. Okay, you can see the hierarchy. When in first we will even we have selected we have created this plane at a single command, but when we want to change it, it will it will be only edit as per the hierarchy showing, right? When we let just on this front plane also, so you can understand well. When we click on this front plane one, only plane one will be showing, and when we select this plane two, so in order to create a plane two, we can have this plane one and this front plane. When we change this direction, let's just say 120, it will change like this. Okay, so we can also change the distance between the plane, but first we have to create a multiple plane like we have just done, and we will change the distance as per our requirement. Okay, so let's just delete this one by one, or we can select using our control button and click on it, yes to all, and we can select this one. Now let's just draw anything like this, and just draw a rectangle or center rectangle like this, and we will extrude it. So now this condition is for the face. Okay, when we select any face, so this rectangle has 6 faces, right? You can see. So when we go to the reference tool and it is asking for the first reference, so selecting plane and selecting face is same. Just we have we have only one condition that we should have any face, right? So this face is there. So you can see the last the last distance we have given is 150. So it is showing like this. So we can use this face, or we can click on again first reference and click on this face, or again we can select this face. So it is as per the selection of the face. The face will be parallel to the selected face. The plane will be parallel to the selected face. Now, in if we select this on again, but without selecting on this first reference, and right now it is showing us to select the second reference. And if we select this one, it will be not fully defined. It is, I think it will become a 90-degree collapse. You can see this face is there and this face is there. So no plane can be created by selecting these two 90-degree faces. And it is also showing here angle 90 degree. current combination of reference and constraints are not valid. So these are the topics we will learn as per our requirement. What are these constraints? But when we, well, let's just delete this second reference. But when we select any single phase on the first reference, it will be always parallel to the selected phase. So I think this is clear for you. So in our next lecture, we will again see how can we create a middle plane, and we will learn about the making some drawing using these new planes. And if you have any query regarding this, please let me know. And please do like, share, and subscribe with your friends and support. Thank you.